Cleaning and caring for your Ninja NeverDull knife system is essential to ensure that your knives always stay razor sharp. The stone sharpening wheel collects metal shavings over time as you use your sharpener. If you sharpen your knives every 2 weeks as recommended, you'll need to clean the sharpening wheel every 6 months. To ensure your Ninja Foodi NeverDull knife systems maintain your knives' razor sharp edge, it's important to replace your sharpening wheel every 2 years. To remove the stone sharpening wheel, start by removing all the knives from the block. Ensure that the sharpening lever is positioned to the bottom of the block. Rotate your block and tilt it forward so you can easily access the back. Open the sharpening wheel access door. There may be metal shavings inside the sharpener. Simply wipe them with a towel to remove. As you hold the lever in the down position with your left hand, pull the wheel holder down and towards you with your right hand. The wheel holder should connect with the snap feature to be held in place. Remove the sharpening wheel by unsnapping and rotating the wheel pin clip upwards about 90 degrees. Slide the wheel pin out and remove the wheel. Set the wheel pin off to the side. To clean the stone sharpening wheel, simply rinse it under running water, using a small, soft bristle brush to remove any residual metal shavings. Towel dry the wheel immediately before reassembling it inside the sharpener. To return your sharpening wheel back inside the sharpener, ensure you're holding the sharpening lever in the down position and simply place the wheel back into the wheel holder. Insert the wheel pin through the wheel and snap the wheel pin clip into place. It can be installed in either direction. Spin the wheel to ensure it's been reinstalled correctly. The wheel should rotate in the wheel holder. If the wheel is jammed, wobbly, or easily pops out, repeat the previous step until it rolls freely. Gently raise the wheel holder back to its original position inside the sharpener. Remove your hand from the lever. Close the stone sharpening wheel access door. Tilt the block back so it is standing upright on your counter. Move the lever up and down 3 times to ensure the sharpener isn't jammed. If it is, repeat the previous steps until it moves freely. Return your knives back to their designated storage slots. If you have questions about the Ninja Foodi NeverDull knife system, visit us at ninjakitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.